So, now welcome for another street walk. Beautiful day today. And as you can guess, it's still not Bangkok. It is still the German countryside. And we are here at a castle. The castle is called the Kapfenburg. It is on top of a hill. You can see the nice landscape around. And now we go through the door inside the castle. Wow. That's a view. Please let me know if you are interested for me to show you like the inside, because I think that might be possible. Here's a little church. Here you have even a better view of the castle. Wow. Wow. Really, wow. We can go even further inside. But first I want to take a look to the surroundings. Wow. So for everybody who has the idea they want to go to Germany, visit, or settle down, I think that might be interesting. We can go further inside. As you can hear from my haunting, it's up the hill. And now we're inside. It's really old stuff here. And they have also concerts. Wow. You can imagine the life here 200 or 300 years ago. When you are the count, or I don't know who they were called, who owned this place, can look around the surrounding landscape. Where on the fields, the farmers basically grow wheat. Oh, it's nice. It's just nice. Cool. This is a historical stairs, and it is for your own safety if you are on it. But for sure we have to try it. You can see here is like an old lion on the stairs. Very nice. Give you a little surround view again. And it's cool. It has kind of cobblestones, but not really the real cobblestones. And I think it also has a lot of concerts here. So if you want me to do something about the inside of the castle, I will inform myself how I can do it. And you let me know in the comments, and I will do that. I mean, wow. Again, never been here before. Just trying to check how it looks like. And it is really, really impressive. Before I will do a video about the whole castle and the inside of the castle, I will get myself a little bit information so I can tell you more about it. So again, leave me information in the comments. Give me some feedback to know if I should do that. And I will. Because I myself find it really, really quite fascinating to be here and to do this nice video for you. So that's Germany. Even I think the American President Trump would be amazed by it. I don't know where his ancestors come from, but I think they also come from Germany. So that might be quite cool. So I leave you with that view and the view of the castle for sure. And again, let me know, give us a like if you like it. And I see you on another day. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching for my videos. And if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.